Okay, as you guys know, being in the retail game, I was trying to look for a way that I can make my guys' job a little bit easier, so especially the guys on the front counter. So I came up with this little toolkit, a little smattering of tools for the front desk to use, and I'm just going to run you through it right now. So it's basically retail tools. So tools for the retail user, starting from something very simple, a discount calculator, of course. All they need to do is put in, if manager says give them 10 or 15% or 20% off or whatever it may be, whatever the, say call it 15%, it'll give them the exact price. So a fairly simple little tool, but helpful for those on the go, or if you've got some new staff, could be very helpful for them. And this is designed to sit just on the front counter and be very accessible. Another little one, just a shift timer, so they can add a user their start and end date. So if I was working from 9 to 5, of course, auto schedule some breaks in there, you can put in their time, and as they start the shift, of course it tells them how long they've got to go. So it's quite simple, and that can just run in the background, of course, and it'll come up with a little alert when their breaks are due. Little daily motivation, of course, a little challenge for the day, teach a co-worker something, and this will change throughout the days. A little how they're feeling, so a little bit of feedback from their point of view, of course. And in a premium version, I haven't quite completed that yet, so it's not ready yet, but when there is a completed premium version, that'll give feedback, that'll go through to the manager, and they can tell how the guys are feeling throughout the days. A price beat calculator, this is something in our industry that we see a lot. So if there's a local store, who it may be, how much they've got it for. If there's a postage charge that they charge, they might charge $10, and then of course I want to beat it by 10%, so it'll give you their price. Now we're going to save it, and of course if you do go print, then you can print off a copy of that to keep with the receipt, so you know what you've actually been charging and why you're reducing the price, things like that. So that's that one works. Instead of their price, what we're going to charge instead. Quite simple. And finally, on the free version, of course, this is completely free to use. You guys can just log on and start using this if you like. All you need to do is join the Skool community, which is free, of course, and you'll get access to that. Then you can use it in your business. So this little message, this will go straight through to the boss, of course. So if maybe it's a missed sale that they had, a complaint, of course, or a compliment, and a bit of information, and that'll add it to it. As the day goes by, and then at the end of the day, of course, you can print it off and do what you will with it, give it to the boss, and that's it. That's how that works. So that's a retail toolkit which I've come up with. If you have any ideas, maybe you want to add something, it's in another video. I'll show you how I put this together. It's very easy, but I can change this. As I said, I've got to do the upgrade version, which will have a lot more features, so if somebody wants to pay for that, they can, but it's going to be a lot more features. If you see some value in adding a particular feature, by all means join the community and let's talk about it, and I'll add it for you if I can. Very easy. So check that out, join the community, you can download it, you can start using it, and please give me your feedback because I want to change it and make it as good as we can.